Hello and welcome back to my channel, The Math Professor. Today we are discussing a trigonometric identities question, and the question is, show that sin to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x equals sin square x minus cos square x times 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. At first, this problem might look difficult, but we will break it down into manageable pieces. So let's get started without wasting much time. Starting with the left-hand side is given as sin to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x, as the left-hand side and the right-hand side is given in terms of sin and cos. So we will try to use what we know in terms of algebra and trigonometry. So we know that sin square x plus cos square x equals 1. And wherever required, I'll give you the algebraic identities. So first of all, sin to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x can be broken down into sin raised to the power 4x squared minus cos raised to the power 4x squared. And this is in the form of a squared minus b squared. And we know that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So here we have a as sin to the power 4x and b as cos to the power 4x. So we have sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x times sin to the power 4x minus cos to the power 4x. Now the first part can further be written as sin square x squared plus cos square x squared. And the second part can be written as sin square x squared minus cos square x squared. One of them is in the form of a squared plus b squared, and the other one is in the form of a squared minus b squared. And we know that a squared plus b squared can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. And as earlier discussed, a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b. So replacing a and b with sin square and cos square, the first bracket becomes sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2ab, so 2 sin square x cos square x. And the second bracket becomes a plus b times a minus b. That means sin square x plus cos square x times sin square x minus cos square x. And using sin square x plus cos square x as 1 in these two brackets, we will get 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x times 1 times sin square x minus cos square x. So that is sin square x minus cos square x, and which is same as the right hand side. And there you have it. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.